OrthoGen offers efficient and precise exterior annotation options, including customizable tag placement, anchor labels, and automated nozzle schedules. Join us for a quick overview in our demo to learn more. The exterior 5-point places tags around the exterior of the views and draws leader lines to the tags. Each equipment item within the view will be located in 2 directions. You can tag just the name or add coordinates and/or elevation data. In addition, OrthoGen provides automatic reference grid labels for enhanced annotation capabilities. OrthoGen's exterior spread option enables instant tagging of crowded views with detailed no-touch annotations, enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of your annotation process. In this example, OrthoGen offers the convenient feature of tagging all equipment items with elevations, while also effortlessly tagging all nozzles with leader lines that do not cross. The linear dimensions option in layout drawings creates dimensions between objects, with labels that are offset and turn 90 degrees for legibility. This allows for instant creation and updating of layout drawings with accurate dimensions or coordinates. Users have the ability to adjust the level of detail or label density for piping labels in OrthoGen. When generating tags, OrthoGen will automatically place 1 tag for each unique line number that appears within the view, ensuring that all pipeline numbers within the view volume are identified. Furthermore, users can customize how sloping pipe labels are displayed, as well as mark the bottom of pipes where sloped lines intersect with match lines. The exterior ordinate dimensions feature allows users to specify the location of objects based on coordinates relative to a reference point. OrthoGen's composite dimensioning option only places dimensions, while OrthoGen allows you to define entities to locate and the dimension string to place them in. Up to 3 dimension strings can be drawn, and tags can be added for interior items. OrthoGen supports static dimensions that are not automatically deleted, and can apply AutoCAD rotated dimensions using defined dimension styles. OrthoGen's stacked option is its latest dimensioning method, which places a dimension string to each individual object, reference to grids that can also be tagged. You have control over the sides of the view where individual entity exterior labels are drawn. For example, pipe labels can be drawn around all 4 sides of the view, while grids can be configured to place on the right side and bottom of the view. This powerful capability is particularly useful for smaller detail and section views. Remove all manual tagging and minimize, if not completely eliminate, manual dimensioning. The video demonstrates the power of OrthoGen's exterior annotation options in streamlining the annotation process and enhancing the accuracy and efficiency of your drawings.